Stop. Don't skip this. If you keep restarting your life every Monday, this is why. You're not inconsistent. Your brain is training you to quit, and you're helping it every single day. Be honest. How many times have you said, "From tomorrow I'll change"? And for 2 days, you do. Then suddenly, you disappear. No energy, no focus, just guilt. You open your phone without thinking. You delay things you know are important. You choose comfort, even when you hate it. That's not laziness. That's programming. And here's the dangerous part. There's one mistake that keeps you stuck in this loop. Fix this, and consistency becomes easy. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It cares about comfort. So it rewards what's easy and resists what's hard. Every time you scroll, you're training yourself to quit. There's a girl named Ria. Day 1, perfect. Day 2, motivated. Day 3, just 5 minutes. 2 hours gone. She skips one day, then another, and then she says, "I'm just not a consistent person." But that's not true. That night, she has a dream. She meets a version of herself, calm, focused, disciplined. And that version says, "You don't lack discipline. You built a system that makes quitting easy. Fix the system, and you fix your life." She didn't fail. Her system did. Your habits live in the basal ganglia. Repeat something enough, and it becomes automatic. Your discipline comes from the prefrontal cortex, but it gets tired. So when you're stressed, your autopilot takes over. Cue, action, reward. Bored, scroll, feel better. Repeat that, and it becomes who you are. So let's fix it. Start small. 10 minutes. 1 page. 5 push-ups. Fix your environment. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. You stop asking, "Do I feel like it?" Instead say, "I do this at this time." Never miss twice. Reward showing up, not results. Listen carefully. You don't need more motivation, and you need fewer systems that make quitting easy. You're not inconsistent. You're consistent at the wrong habits. Just become someone who doesn't disappear. Comment start if you're done restarting your life every week.